Ever heard of flaxseed water? If not, you're definitely not alone. While flax seeds themselves have been around for thousands of years, used by ancient civilizations for their powerful health benefits, flaxseed water is a simple, modern twist that's taking the wellness world by storm. It's one of those hidden gems that's been quietly sitting in your pantry, just waiting to be discovered. So, if you're looking for a new, easy way to boost your health, you're in the right place. Imagine waking up every morning, feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the day. That's what a lot of people are experiencing after adding flaxseed water to their daily routine. Your body's about to thank you in ways you never expected. Think more energy, better digestion, and even a happier mood. It's like giving your body a little gift every single day, and the best part? It's so easy, anyone can do it. Here's the deal. Flaxseed water is like the secret weapon your kitchen never knew it needed. It's not just another health fad or complicated recipe. It's a simple, natural drink that packs a serious punch when it comes to nutrition. Whether you're a busy parent, a student, or someone just trying to make healthier choices, flaxseed water fits right into your lifestyle. It's quick, affordable, and delivers real results you can feel. So, how do you make it? It couldn't be easier. All you need is a spoonful of flax seeds and a glass of water. Just scoop the seeds into the glass, pour in the water, and let it soak overnight. While you sleep, the flax seeds work their magic, releasing nutrients and forming a gentle gel that's packed with goodness. In the morning, simply strain out the seeds, and what you're left with is a nutrient-packed drink that's ready to go. No fancy equipment, no complicated steps, just pure, simple health in a glass. When you look at that glass of flaxseed water, you might be surprised by how unassuming it looks, but don't let its simplicity fool you. Inside, it's loaded with nutrients that your body craves. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, all from a tiny seed and some water. And the best part? It fits seamlessly into your morning routine. Just drink it before breakfast, and you're setting yourself up for a day of feeling your best. Why bother with flaxseed water, you ask? Let's break it down. First up, flaxseed water is absolutely loaded with fiber. Fiber is one of those nutrients that most of us don't get enough of, but it's essential for keeping your digestive system running smoothly. When you drink flaxseed water, you're giving your gut the support it needs to stay healthy and happy. That means a happy gut, less bloating, and, let's be real, smoother bathroom trips. If you've ever struggled with digestion or felt uncomfortable after meals, flaxseed water can be a game changer. The fiber in flax seeds acts like a gentle broom, sweeping through your digestive tract and helping everything move along as it should. It's a natural, gentle way to support your body's natural rhythms, so you can feel lighter and more comfortable every day. But that's not all. Flaxseed water is also a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids. These are the healthy fats that your brain and heart absolutely love. Omega-3s are known for supporting brain function, improving memory, and even boosting your mood. They also help keep your heart healthy by reducing inflammation and supporting healthy cholesterol levels. If you're looking for a simple way to give your brain and heart a little extra love, flaxseed water is a great place to start. Plus, flaxseed water helps keep you feeling full, which means those mid-morning snack attacks, handled. The natural fiber and gel from the flax seeds create a feeling of fullness that lasts, so you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks or overeat at your next meal. It's a simple trick that can make a big difference if you're trying to manage your weight or just make healthier choices throughout the day. And the best part? It's cheap, easy, and takes about 10 seconds to prep. Seriously, you don't need to be a chef or a nutrition expert to make flaxseed water. It's as simple as it gets, just water and seeds, and you're good to go. No need to spend money on expensive supplements or fancy health drinks. Flaxseed water is proof that sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. No fancy blenders, no weird ingredients, just water and seeds. That's it. You don't have to worry about hidden sugars, artificial flavors, or preservatives. Flaxseed water is as natural as it gets, and you're in complete control of what goes into your body. It's a refreshing change from all the processed foods and drinks out there, and your body will thank you for it. So, are you ready to upgrade your health game? Whether you're looking to improve your digestion, boost your energy, or just feel better overall, flaxseed water is a simple step you can take today. It's a small change that can lead to big results over time. Imagine feeling more energized, more focused, and more comfortable in your own skin, all from adding one easy drink to your routine. Give flaxseed water a shot, and let your body do the happy dance. You might be surprised by how much better you feel after just a few days. Many people report feeling lighter, more energized, and even noticing improvements in their skin and hair. It's a simple, natural way to support your health from the inside out. And it's something you can feel good about every single day. And here's a little bonus tip. If you want to mix things up, try adding a squeeze of lemon or a dash of cinnamon to your flaxseed water. Not only does it add a burst of flavor, but it also brings even more health benefits to the table. Lemon is great for digestion and adds a refreshing zing, while cinnamon can help balance blood sugar and add a cozy, comforting taste. Get creative and make your flaxseed water your own. If you're worried about the texture, don't be. The gel that forms from the flax seeds is gentle and easy to drink, and you can always strain it to your liking. Some people even enjoy eating the soaked seeds for an extra boost of fiber and nutrients. It's all about finding what works best for you and making it a part of your daily routine. Remember, the key to seeing results is consistency. Try drinking flaxseed water every morning for a week and see how you feel. Pay attention to your energy levels, your digestion, and even your mood. You might be surprised by the difference such a simple habit can make. If you found this tip helpful, hit like, save this short, and tell us your favorite health hack in the comments. We love hearing your stories and tips, and who knows, your idea might inspire someone else to start their own health journey. Share this video with friends and family who could use a little wellness boost, and let's spread the flaxseed water love together. Here's to feeling your best, one glass at a time.